Shae Bennett is a YouTuber and social media influencer. He is a renowned YouTuber and runs a popular channel, the Ohana Adventure. His parents started this channel to post vlogs, pranks, challenges and storytime videos, but now it is full of enticing offers. The channel is loaded with videos that showcase their trips. One of Shae's most popular videos to date is a music video titled Friends Parody. The video is a spoof of Justin Bieber's song Sorry. Apart from this, Shae has earned fans for his challenge and pranks videos. His father Jazz proposed to his mother Rachel on a basketball court. He has two older sisters named Rachel Bennett and Clara Bennett. Meanwhile, he has three younger siblings including Cora Bennett, Evelyn Bennett and Wade Bennett. All of his family members are YouTube stars. His parents started the YouTube journey long back on 30 December 2015. The channel then started posting DIY videos. Shae appeared in many of them, including popular videos such as making dry ice at home, home cleaning supplies, making Hawaiian candies, etc. The family's vlogs include a video in which Shae's father goes out of town on a Sunday morning, while his mother struggles to get her kids ready for the church. The family once went on a trip to a beach and all the activities that they did there were captured and were later posted on their channel. In one of their subsequent videos, Shae gave himself a haircut with the help of his brother and father. Shae and his siblings were then seen in a video in which they received a huge package from Jackie, Trucker and Jorian. The kids were super excited to receive the package. Inside the package were pictures of Europe and goodies that belonged to various European nations. They enjoyed seeing the pictures. Along with that, they got to taste chocolates, sweets, savories and different types of snacks. Bennett is very active on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook and others and has amassed a sizable fan base.